Well, wouldn't you know it? You can now buy Nintendo-themed SD cards. Honestly, I'm surprised. I feel like this is a long time coming. And, well, let's take a look at this via Nintendo Life. Look at that. Got a Zelda for 1 terabyte and a little Yoshi egg. And there's quite a few other ones, too, which are cool. I kind of like this. This doesn't surprise me, but it's one of those things where no one's gonna see it, and you want to use this. This is nothing more than a conversation piece, in my opinion. But it's fun, it's cool. But my question is, what cost? What is the entry cost to have a Nintendo-themed SD card versus just something that you could just regularly purchase on Amazon? 2 new cards are set to launch in May. Brand new 64 gig with the Yoshi egg. And then, obviously, the terabyte with the Legend of Zelda, which looks... I'd rather get one that's colored like the Yoshi egg or something like that. But they're taking pre-orders right now in the US, and the Zelda cards are only available in the UK. Ouch, Nintendo. Super ouch. So let's see here. So the 1 terabyte is 159 pounds, which is going to be like $180, right? Maybe a little more. $180 for a terabyte card. Like, whew. But then they go ahead and list, oh, well, they have a, is that Animal Crossing? See, these don't seem too bad in price. $512 for $50. Oh, the blue shell. Oh, man. 400 gig blue shell. Oh, no. Am I about to make a bad decision with money that I don't have? Maybe. Star looks good. 256. All right, so we can go down this list. This is cheap. This is good. 64 gig white with the gold Zelda. Let's compare prices. Okay, I have some tabs open. I prepared myself for this. Just to see what this entry fee is to get a Nintendo-themed SD card versus just your standard regular one on Amazon. Yoshi Egg 64 gigs for $15.99. That's not bad. What do we have? What size do we have here? 128 gigs for $15 with the little mushroom on it. That's not bad. Regularly $34. It's on sale as of April 25th, 2023 right now. That's half off. That's, guys, gals, that's actually pretty legit deal. I'm tempted. I could use another card. So that's not too bad. So 512 standard, is that the high speed one? No. We need the SDXCs. $24 for 256 gigs. What are we getting here for 256 gigs? Wow, so even if you get the Mario Star, 24.15. So you're paying $5 more to get one with a Mario Star. And that's not bad. That's fair. All right, let's go higher up. 400 gigs. 400 gigs, $34. And that is the Amazon Choice versus $74. 28 cents. So we're hitting you hit the 400 gig. Now you're getting up there. You're paying almost $40 more to get that blue shell, and that blue shell looks awesome, right? Let's see the 1 terabyte, shall we? 1 terabyte. Let's see here. A lot of cards are on sale right now, guys, on Amazon. 1 terabyte. Let's go down here. There's the Micro Center, $89.99, $72.99, and $73. Okay, let's just say $75 is for 1 terabyte. How much for 150 bucks, guys. You're paying almost double for 1 terabyte just to have the Zelda emblem on it and have it say Nintendo Switch. Woof. I'm sorry. That's too much for me. I would rather have the cute little white the white and gold 64 one for $11. Oh man, I'm going to be making a bad decision. I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, do you think it's worth the extra cost on some of these higher storage cards? Listen, I like them. I think they're cool. A, it's stupid. B, nobody's going to see it. C, who really cares? But I like it, okay? I'm not hating on it. But I like it. That being said, that little blue shell looks awesome. But just to have one, I would probably do like the 128 SanDisk with the mushroom, or the little guy down here for Zelda, the gold and white. So yeah, what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Is this something you guys are gonna get? I suggest if you're gonna go, get it soon, because all these, I don't know how long this storage sale is gonna be on for. So definitely check it out. Is this something that you're excited about? I mean, it's cool. Let me know down in the comments. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. That's a little bit of news. I'll talk with you guys soon.